can also change and adjust list items in notes on your iOS by simply dragging them here and there in your notes. Quite comfortable and easy. To select an art, select your model files on your iOS. You're simply to open up those files, contacts, or whatever you're using, and hold them with your two fingers. And now you can select everything, or as I said, deselect everything. If you're having a trouble with selecting some specific word or paragraph, so to select the specific word, you can simply double tap on it, and to select the whole paragraph, you can triple tap on this paragraph and it's gonna be selected. On your iPhone, you can comfortably navigate through the text by simply holding your space bar and moving it around. Not many people know that if you're gonna hold your spacebar, tap your second finger on it, now you can select some specific parts of the text.